Hello, so we're going to move on to comparing the governments for United States, Canada, Mexico. You're going to click on that Friday folder. When you open it, it's going to take you to these PDF. They're called country cards. And so let me make that bigger for you. And so it says this one's the United States. So each box is its own category. So what type of government do we have? A constitution. It's a federal republic. What kind of structure do we have? We have an executive, legislative, and judicial branch. So we have 3 branches of government. Our Constitution, it was adopted on March 4th, 1789. And then we have our flag and what it represents. Underneath that, we have some facts here. Capital, our independence, what's our population, our GDP per capita, ethnicity, religion, and literacy rates. On the back of that, it's going to be our civic rights, freedoms. It talks about our first 10 amendments of the Constitution are known as the Bill of Rights. And our rights are protected, such as freedom of religion, speech, assembly, and all of that. Then suffrage is talking about voting. So you need to be 18 years of age or older. And then what kind of political parties we have. So we have Democratic Party and Republican. The minor is green, and Libertarian, and many more. Underneath the United States, you have Canada. It's going to be in the same format, just talking about that particular country. And then, of course, their facts and their rights and voting. And then Mexico is going to be on the last 2 pages. So you're going to use these 2 pages to answer this comparison chart. So you're going to open that chart. You should have 2 tabs open at this moment, or when you're working on it. And so if you want, you can go in order. You're going to fill out the United States all the way across. Well, it's like, what kind of government does the United States have? And you're like, I don't know. So go back to the United States. Our government is a base federal republic. So you'll type federal republic. All right. Who is our head of government? That requires you to read. So we have executive. The president is chief of state and the head of government and is elected directly by the electoral college. Oh, our president. So it'll just be president. And then are we a limited or unlimited government? Do we have citizens' rights? Yes or no? What is our voting age and are there specific requirements? What was the year we have independence? When was the Constitution written? What is the GDP per capita, and then what is the literacy rate? Then you're going to go on to Canada. And you're going to answer all the way across, and then Mexico. After you fill out this comparison chart, you're going to use this information to answer these questions. So bicameral means 2 houses. So which countries have a bicameral legislative branch? And so you need to look at legislative right here and read this paragraph. Question 2, which country has issues with civic rights freedoms due to the widespread violence of the drug cartels? 3, which country has mandatory? That means you should be voting, like you have to vote. And then question 4, which country received its independence from Great Britain? So you need to fill out this chart, answer these 4 questions, and then submit that to me, and then you're done for today's